A very good morning, beloved students, learners, viewers, and my dear audiences. Today, once again, I am sitting before all of you, and today itself, I want to discuss some important parts of grammar. You know, nowadays, grammar is not being taught in the classes. Consequently, students cannot write correct sentence. So without grammar, without vyakaran, students cannot write correct sentence. If student writes sentences, many mistakes, grammatical mistakes, they commit. So today I want to discuss some part of grammar. This will be very helpful to all students, and not only students, all persons who will listen very carefully. So today I want to explain about sentence. You know, there are three sentences. First one, simple sentence. So first of all, let me explain what is simple sentence. Simple sentence, my dear, you will find one clause, independent sentence and verb. In other words, you can say simple sentence subject and verb only. Only two things, subject and verb. For example, he writes a letter. He subject writes letter. I play, I subject play, verb. He eats, he subject eats, verb. And apart from that, if you want to know little bit more, then you will find object also. He eats an apple, he plays football, he subject plays verb and football object. So generally students commit mistakes. He play, that is totally wrong. Whenever I ask some students, you give an example of simple sentence, Ram go to school. What nonsense you are speaking? Ram goes to school. He eats an apple. So basically students do not have basic knowledge of grammar, and unknowingly they commit mistakes. So simply you have to understand simple sentence means one subject and verb, rather than you can add object. So this is called a simple sentence. Now I am coming to compound sentence. What is compound sentence? A compound sentence is totally independent sentence. Totally independent sentence, and you can connect two sentences with and if, as, because, all that. For example, Ram went to school. Totally independent sentence. He did not buy a pen. If you want to join compound sentence, then like that, Ram went to market and he did not buy his pen. So simply you have to write two small sentences is combined with the help of but and because. Another example you can take, he is a very intelligent student, but he does not read. Like that, two sentences are combined, joined by connectors, and but because he could not come to school because of his illness. So here, because and but these are the connectors. Two small sentences are connected by yes conjunction, but and because if like that. So I think all of you must have understood simple sentence and compound sentence, and very soon I am writing on the blackboard, yes, with the help of marker and board, and I will explain. So if any student wants to join my class, I will send a link and I will give a time at what time you may have convenient to join my class. You tell me accordingly, I will start a class. Now compound sentence. Yes, I have completed the simple sentence and compound sentences. Now come to complex sentence. In Hindi you can say जटिल sentence. एक से ज़्यादा रहेगा. This is called a complex sentence. He could not do this work because he was very busy in his work. And more than 2-3 sentences can be combined. That is called a compound sentence. So these are the sentences, my dear students: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. So now, if you listen to me, I am coming to clause. Clauses. What do you mean by clauses? There are, almost all sentences cannot be meaningful without a principal clause and subordinate clause. Almost all sentences you may have two clauses: principal clause and subordinate clause. And clauses, first clause name is a noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clauses. But so far as first and foremost I want to discuss with you, my dear students, my dear audience, about noun clause. Noun clause is having one principal clause and next subordinate clause. For example, and noun clause has been classified in 5. For example, subject to the verb, object to the preposition, object to the verb, then a case and opposition, then object to the preposition, like that. But one by one I will explain. It is better, and day after tomorrow, within 2 days, after 2 days, I will explain one board by writing. It will be better for all of you. So today, just unless and until I write with the help of board and you can say marker, it will not be very convenient to understand for all of you. So just I have given some introduction, some definition, and within 2 or 3 days I will explain one board, so it will be better for all of you. Thank you, my dear students. Today I end my class. Thank you very much. You must subscribe my channel, and I am giving link WhatsApp. You must see WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and see link, you will find it. थैंक यू वेरी मच।